What's up, guys? This is Dylan. Just want to talk real quick on do a quick tutorial on tap tempo delay. So you might see this blinking light down here. This is a quick key to set your tap tempo for delay. The delay we've been using on vocals. Usually you want it to be in sync with the tempo of whatever song you guys are mixing in. It could be a distraction if your vocal delay is off from the beat of the song. So you've got a tap tempo that you can tap with the beat of the song, get your tap tempo set, and have it matching everything else in the music. Just makes it sound a whole lot cleaner and doesn't muddy up your mix. So it's as simple as that, what you just saw me do. You tap the button to the beat of the song, and it'll set that for you. So you can do it fast, and you'll see it speeds up, or you can do it a little bit slower and set your tap tempo. Another way you can do it, these buttons, they're new, so you do have to press them a little bit harder than we used to on the iLive system. However, there is a different way you can do it. You can actually go to your effects return here on layer F, and you can find your delay, your vocal delay, and you hit select, and it'll pull up your settings for that delay. So if you see over here, you've got L tap and right tap. That's for left and right. Well, this system is mono, so you're mixing in mono. So I've got both of them linked. So whenever you change one, it'll change the other. So just to show you that this button is working, whenever I do the tap tempo, you can see these numbers start moving. So you can see the tap tempo there is changing as I'm pressing this button. But like I said, if you don't like that, you can actually just tap on one of these and it'll change as well. And the button light will correspond with that. So that's just a quick tutorial. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.